Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel SBM Education Group.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sheikh Abdul Moed Sheikh Tarwar. आपके सामने अल्फाबेट पेश करने जा रहा हूँ. A for apple. A double P L E apple. B for ball. C-A-double-L ball. C for cat. C-A-T cat. D for dog. D-O-G dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. F for fish. F-I-S-H fish. G for grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S grapes. H for horse. H-O-R-S-E horse. I for ice cream. I-C-E-T-R-E-A-M ice cream. J for joker. J-O-K-E-R joker. K for kite. K-I-T-E kite. L for lion. L-I-O-N lion. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y monkey. N for noodle. N-O-O-D-L-E-S noodles. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E orange. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T parrot. Q for queen. Q-U-E-N queen. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T rabbit. S for sheep. S-H-I-P sheep. T for train. T-R-A-I-N train. U for umbrella. U-M-R-E-L-L A is umbrella. V for van. V-A-N van. W for watch. W-A-T-C-H watch. X for Christmas tree. X-T-R-E-E Christmas tree. Y for yacht. Y-A-T-C-H-T yacht. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A zebra. Thank you.